Hi, everyone. This is Brian Gutierrez from Keller Williams, and today we're going to answer the question: what is an appraisal gap guarantee? Well, as we all know, in a regular transaction, right, with say conventional financing or normal financing, right, there is an appraisal during the process, right? And that's where the appraiser comes out and they assess the value of the home and see if it matches the sale price of the home, right? Well, sometimes, as we all know, those appraisals come in a little bit low. Now, what an appraisal gap guarantee does is it's the buyer saying to the seller or presenting in their offer, saying, look, if the home appraises low, we will make up X amount of dollars to make up that appraisal gap. Let me give you an example. You have a house that's selling for $250,000. Buyer comes in with an offer and says, we'll give you a $10,000 appraisal gap guarantee. Okay, great. So the appraiser comes out and then like I said, our sale price was 250. Let's say that the home appraises for 240. Okay, there's a $10,000 difference. Now that buyer has committed to, bringing $10,000 extra to the closing table to make up that appraisal gap. See what I mean? So now it could be 3,000, 5, 10, 15, whatever amount that the buyer is comfortable with and the buyer's agent is comfortable with, presenting for that offer. It could be any amount. I'm just using 10 for our example. Now, is that attractive to a seller? Absolutely. So if it comes in 10 low, that buyer is making up the 10. So yeah, that's great for a seller. That's an excellent feature to put in there. Now, buyers, and this is a reoccurring theme here, is that we need to consult with our lenders. Okay, I'm not a lender, I sell homes, right? But you need to talk to your lender, your loan officer, and say, hey, we're making an offer on this house. The comps look like it's kind of top of its value in its neighborhood. It's competitive, so we want to offer an appraisal gap guarantee of, in this case, $10,000 to bring to closing. Are you okay with that? And the buyer really does need to talk to the loan officer because this may or may not affect their pre-approval status, right? And buyers, you must remember this. This is a very important detail with the appraisal gap guarantee. If you say you're going to guarantee 10 and the house appraises low, you are bringing that extra money to the closing table in addition to your closing costs. In addition to your closing costs. This is why I'm advising that you speak to your lender, okay? I'm just going to make up a number here. Let's say that your closing costs are $5,000, right? And you did a $10,000 appraisal gap guarantee and you need to use it because it appraised low by 10. That means you're bringing 15 to closing, right? Once again, talk to your loan officer, talk to your lender, right? Buyers, carefully consult your lender on this, okay? Because in the end, they need to approve of this, right? I'll put anything into an offer that you want to put in there to make it strong, but I'm going to ask you that question. Did you talk to your loan officer? Because that's how important this is. Okay. But anyway, that's basically how an appraisal gap guarantee works. And it's a great tool to use from our real estate toolbox and very attractive to sellers. Anyway, whether it's right or not for you, talk to your loan officer and see if it is. Thank you so much.